feel like the main question with all high schoolers is what's next? People always ask like, oh, what do you want to be when you grow up? And we don't really know. But after I did BioBuilder and I talked with the instructors and I had seen the presentations from people who do things in the fields, I was able to know this is definitely something I want to do for a long time.
BioBuilder is, I feel like, an invaluable introductory science course. It doesn't overload you, but it passes on a lot of really important information.
I'm really appreciative of all like the resources and opportunities BioBuilder has given me, especially with my background. I come from a low-income family. It's really hard to get into programs because they all cost money. This one was free, so I think that definitely helps me out a lot.
When you think about like being an engineer or being like a lab worker, the idea feels like bigger than life, especially to somebody who's literally just a high schooler and has never done anything like that. Being in the lab really builds the confidence I have in myself that I'm like, yeah, okay, I could do this as a career path and I'm interested in learning more about it in college.
So having hands-on experience makes it easier to grasp the concepts and the skills, and then it makes it easier to maintain those skills and then go on to transfer those into other professions. It's not something that a regular classroom experience would give you.
I think a really good example of this is, the free certification we're given. People can feel more confident in their skills inside the lab, which will definitely help them in the future as well.
BioBuilder does a lot to help you see all parts of the biology industry. So I learn about the science behind things, I get to see the application, I get to hear about the engineering aspect, the problem solving, and I get to speak with people who do the things that we hear about in school all the time, but in real life.
I really enjoyed the experiments, especially. There's not a lot of opportunities for biology or doing anything relating labs because my high school doesn't really have that much resources. Doing this hands-on activity is like a really valuable experience. It's great to have like new connections or new people that you might never meet in your life.
For people who don't really know where to start their STEM path, starting here would be a really good step because the connections, the networking you make here really leads you a long way.
It gives you the environment to make mistakes, an environment to learn and grow. It gives you the opportunity to meet other people and kind of branch out your interests and to find out if this is the right career for you.